Hello everyone, this is Matanik, and today I'm gonna share you the unboxing and quick review of the soundbar made by TaoTronics, and the model is TTSK023. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so it comes with the card. Alright, the sound bar itself. Alright, so it comes with a mounting screw, the user's manual. Let's go ahead and check this out. So this is the another card, the mounting screw, user's manual, okay, the wall mounting template if you're gonna mount this one on the wall, which is nice. Alright, so the soundbar connection instructions. Alright, let's put this one aside. Oh, comes with the optical cable. It comes also with the RCA audio cable. And the remote control. So this one has like a wood finish. It's really nice and super light. It's made of plastic, but it's nice looking remote. So you have a Bluetooth optical source, and then the navigation button, the volume. Okay. So I do have a TV that has a terrible sound. That's why I decided to get a sound bar for it. So this is the sound bar itself. Okay, and here we can see the auxiliary in, the 3.5 auxiliary in, and the optical, and basically that's the only option you have here, and also the Bluetooth for wireless devices connection. So here you have the indicator light, which gonna light up depending on the mode you are in, and then I'm gonna show you later on how it looks when you turn it on. This is the power button, the input source button, and then the volume up, volume down. So it's pretty much simple and straightforward. There's multiple ways to connect this to your devices. For TV, you can use the optical or the auxiliary connection, and for your smartphone, tablets, you can connect this through Bluetooth. And also there's a 3 modes or sound mode on this soundbar: the game mode, the movie mode, and the music. So right now I'm gonna connect this to Bluetooth. So I turn on my Bluetooth, and then it found the TaoTronics SK023, and now it's connected. There you have it, just a quick review of the TaoTronics 32 inches soundbar TTSK023. Overall, I am impressed with the sound quality for its price. It has a balanced audio and has a good build quality. It is easy to install and set up. I can easily switch between input sources, change the sound modes at the convenience of the remote control. Last but not least, it does improve my TV sound, and I'm enjoying playing games, watching movies, and listening to my music playlist. I even add Amazon Echo input to make this a smart soundbar. You can check the full spec and info at the link down below, and should you want to get yours, you can apply the code that will appear on your screen right now at checkout so you can get your 20% off. This is the affiliate link, so I will get small commission when you buy it from that link, which does not cost you. Is this a soundbar for you? Let me know what you think, and should you have questions with the product, hit me a comment down below, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and catch you later on my next video. Stay safe, everyone.